Well, welcome to the vlog. I'm joined by YT Finn Official. His name should be popping up on the screen right now because that's how editing works. Guys, the camera quality might be really good now because I literally just got my camera cleaned. But the point of today's vlog is that I'm literally walking through a flood.
Look on Callum's Instagram, he's got a load of good photos on there.
Yeah, I'll put my Instagram on the thing right now.
Oh, Callie.
Guys, look at this. Like, that used to be a field, now it's a lake. Look, this used to be all the way down there. Look, that's a field. On each side there's a lake. Finn, so what are we going to do today, man?
We're going to go through that bit up there.
Cool.
Isn't it like a farm or something?
Like, look at this. Like, this might look not, but it's deep. Look,
watch, I'll go through it. Look at my boots. Right. It's
Hi, XD kids. What's your name? Oh my god, look. Look, these are quite high boots as well. Hi, Louis for life. Oh god. Look, this is grass, and this is the water coming through. Like, look, let me put my foot in this.
It's literally rushing up there as well.
Callum, do the one down there.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
it's
field.
sinking.
Yeah, this
Literally
is
sinking.
for people who think.
Ah! Oh my god.
Do the field.
This is for people, this vlog is for people who think global warming is fake. It's not. No, look at this. That's, like, what is that? Look, these are all weeds and stuff. No, dog, don't go in. Oh god, oh. That's deep. So guys, this is all weeds and stuff coming through from that field and that field. Look, this is literally a massive flood altogether. Just a quick reminder, if you guys want to see me in more stuff, my Instagram channel is right here and my TikTok is right here. My TikTok's really cringy, so maybe just look at the Instagram. And I'll do the same for Finn in the description. He's like, look at this. Whoa! Oh,
Got ya.
Yo, Finn just caught me from falling in there. If I fell in there, I would have been deaded. Thanks, Finn, you're my saviour.
You would have been drowned then.
Yeah, thanks
The
you, my
wet
saviour.
whale.
Like, look at this, it's all coming through. And we're just on like the tiniest bit of path. This is actually dangerous. Hi, doggy. This dog has Instagram as well. I'll put a link here as well. Go follow the dog. Whoa! Look, this is a field. This used to be a gate, and look, this goes for absolutely miles. Look.
There's a
Look
field
at
down there
this.
as well. There's a field.
Look how far. Look, this gate though. Okay. Right now, so the quality's not that good, but we'll have to do. Don't know what that is. This might be quite a boring vlog for you guys to watch, but like this is literally for us. We've literally been walking through a flood.
There's a sign.
There's a sign.
10.
Yeah. Can you read any of
10.
the words?
Okay. Okay, guys. We'll get back to you when we're further up. Okay, guys. We're further up now. Okay. What I want you to do, because Finn has a channel as well, so does Cubs. Basically, I want you to comment down below any challenges you want us to do today, because Finn's going to be at my house basically all day. Not really, but just comment down challenges, okay? Look what we found. A field which is actually a field. Oh my god. Like, oh my god, look, there's still water over there. There's still water over there.
It can be dry here and wet over there.
I know, like, what is this? This is a weird day. Oh, it's still recording, hi. They might not be there, they're usually not there, but we could be in luck. Swear to God, if I get eaten by a cow, I have a really big phobia of cows. For some reason, oh my god, the reason I have a phobia of cows is once when I went to Miller's farm, I got headbutted by a big brown one. I was trying to kiss him, and he headbutted me, don't know why. Oh no, there's no cows, but there is loads of stuff we... Okay. Oh god.
No, it's just me.
Yeah, good to see you. So guys, let's go around the back. Wait, there might... There might be horses in the stable over there. But there's nothing. Huh? Oh my god. There's a lot of stuff we can do in here. Ooh, sawdust. Okay, where are we gonna go? There's a tyre. Cool. Oh my god.
Something just crawled in there.
Did they?
I think it was like a...
Look, we can go. Guys. Is there?
Yeah, look, on the tractor thing.
Oh my god, look. Hello. Oh my god, look, he's not moving. Look. Oh,
Oh my god.
oh, you just shoved his butt in my face. Right, let's go. Oh my god, guys. We're climbing up hay bales now. What a day.
Climb up there. On wet bum.
Wait, can you video? Yeah. Okay, let's see, guys.
Louis for life.
Guys, let's see if I can.
No, we want to get up.
Oh yeah, just get up there.
Okay,
Oh my god. Still going. Oh my god. Finn? I'm recording.
Sugar sauce.
Hi guys, we're back. So as probably we just ended it outside because the farmer was kind of chasing after us. We have got home safe and cool because we know we're like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. Subscribe to me, if you will, because it really means a lot. Subscribe to him. XD kids, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. He's playing Fortnite. He's playing Fortnite. And also subscribe to him.
Oh,
And subscribe to our Instagrams and do you mean TikToks. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.